I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money onto your Visa card, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your card balance. Before making a deposit, ensure you know your current balance. This will help you understand how much you can add. Step 2. Choose a deposit method. Decide how you want to deposit money. You can use a bank transfer, cash deposit at an ATM, or a direct deposit from your employer. Step 3. Access your online banking. Log into your online banking account or mobile app. Look for the option to add funds to your Visa card. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Input the amount you wish to deposit. Double check this amount before confirming, as errors can lead to delays. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /con link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you were using an ATM, make sure to select the right account type to avoid any confusion. Happy depositing!